Let's have a session on AQA A-Level Paper 1. So when you open the paper, you're going to see Section A. And Section A is multiple choice questions, and there's going to be 15 on offer. So there's 15 marks in total that you can get here. Things to be aware of: you want to firstly make sure that you're eliminating clearly any incorrect answers straight away. When you're going through the 4 options that you'll have, you'll always be choosing one, of course. Put the odds in your favour. Put the odds in your favour if you can. Also, you want to be thinking about, if you don't know the answer, make a guess. There's nothing wrong with just making a straight guess if you haven't got a clue, because you might get one. And when you do that, just make sure that you don't waste too much time on any questions that you're not sure about. You just want to move on. Don't waste time on these multiple choice questions. The next section you'll see is Section B. Section B will be a mixture of calculation questions and 9 markers. There'll be 35 marks on offer. The calculation questions, make sure you show your workings, bring a calculator of course, make sure you collect all those workings marks just in case there's some sort of finger fudge that happens when you're on your calculator working out the final answer. Other things is that it's likely that you'll have 2 calculation questions, and they'll each probably be for 4 marks, and then that will be followed swiftly by 3 9-mark questions. Remember, 9-mark questions will be analysed, and if there's data provided, which there probably will be for one or some of those, then make sure you use the data that's probably going to be in a table attached to the question. Section C, where you're going to have a choice between 2 essays. You need to choose one from those 2, and there's 25 marks of course in total here. Key things: make a quick plan before you start answering and follow the guidance of the 25 marker video. The card is there above right now. And the same with Section D, where you again make a choice between 2 essays, and you have to again choose one, 25 marks on offer of course. And the same advice: make sure you just click that card that you're sure on how to answer these 25 markers. Now in terms of time, there's 2 hours on offer here. 2 hours for the paper. You've got 100 marks that are available. And I think one key tip just to think about paper 1 is I would try and split up Section C and Section D, because that's an awful lot of handwriting that's taking place there. And perhaps you could slot Section A in the middle. So do those multiple choice questions in the middle of Section C and Section D, so you give your hand a rest before you get back on with the heavy writing that's required for the essay questions. So I hope that helps, and I'll see you at the next sesh.